This is Cora. Cora has a brand new big red truck. Zoom, zoom! Here is Reese. Reese likes the big red truck too. He points at the big red wheels. Reese says, "My turn to zoom." Cora pulls the truck closer to her chest. "No, mine." Oh no, the big red truck is stuck. Reese is sad. Cora is quiet. Look! Reese sees a yellow digger. It has a big scoop. Clang, clang! Reese picks up the yellow digger. He scoops up a block. Scoop, scoop! It is fun to play alone. Cora sees the yellow digger. Cora wants to scoop a block too. She looks at her big red truck. Cora pushes the big red truck to Reese. "You drive the truck, Reese. I will drive the digger." Now they play together. Reese drives the truck. Cora drives the digger. Zoom, scoop, scoop! Sharing is so much better. Two toys are more fun than one. Happy playtime!